A capsule wardrobe is simply a collection of clothing composed of thoughtfully curated, easily interchangeable items designed to maximize the number of outfits that you can create. The first step in building a minimalist capsule wardrobe is removing things from your current wardrobe that you know you are ready to part with. Doing this allows you to clear the clutter so you can focus on building a capsule wardrobe with pieces you love, don't fit, you don't like, are duplicates or very similar in color and style to something else you own, don't work with your skin tone or body type, are stained or damaged beyond repair. Once you've done your initial edit, it is time to choose clothes you want to incorporate into your capsule wardrobe from what you have left. When doing this, look for quality basics that are both functional and versatile. A functional piece of clothing is practical, useful, and suits your current lifestyle. A versatile piece of clothing easily pairs with other clothes, can be styled in different ways, and worn in different contexts. When evaluating items for their functionality, think about the item's fabric, weight, physical attributes like length, silhouette, and sleeve style, and how easy it is to clean and maintain. You will build your capsule for the current season and focus on one category at a time. It's easier and more efficient to focus on what you need now. You can pick favorites, eliminate duplicates, and identify what's missing more easily when you look at everything together.